Now, cleaning your home has never been safer, healthier, more environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. All you need is water. Say adios to lemon and pine scents. Get this, the steam temperature out of this cute little thing is 245 degrees Fahrenheit or 118 Celsius, and it heats up in 2 minutes. That is seriously hot stuff. Dissolve dirty, streaky residue on windows and glass doors, inside and out. Even that pesky soap scum on the shower door. Ugh. This is one exceptional and portable fabric steamer. With an extra long electrical cord, everything is within reach. From window coverings to stuffed toys. All your throw pillows and garments. The Pronto delivers dry steam to remove wrinkles and sanitize too. The Pronto gets rid of allergy triggers and other irritating pests that live in your mattress, pet bed, or furniture. So stop sleeping with uninvited company. Remove those microscopic, sneeze-inducing pests for good with regular steaming. The Pronto hunts down and eradicates germs with tiny hot vapor molecules that force all dirt, debris, and bacteria to the surface. They're so hot, they kill off E. coli and salmonella. Think about your countertops, bathroom sinks, and toilets. Goodbye, you infectious enemies, you! You can put your Pronto to work in the garage and outside the house, too. With help from the heavy-duty brass brush and softer nylon brushes, even your patio furniture will sparkle. And your barbecue grill will look like new. Time to invite all your neighbors over. For automotive interiors and exteriors, there's a Pronto attachment for those jobs too. All those gritty, greasy bits dissolve and are easily wiped away. You'll save lots of money on detailing and maintenance. Oh, and if you love your motorcycle or bicycle, you're gonna love the Pronto. Harness the power of steam for your home, the health of your family, and Mother Nature too. Transform the way you clean with reliable steam.